Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we share gardening tips and tricks to help you make your home beautiful. In today's video, we will discussing how to create a beautiful flower bed in front of your house. First section is about choosing the right spot. The first step to create a flower bed in your front of your house is choosing the right spot. You want to choose an area that gets enough sunlight and has good soil drainage. Looking for a spot that is visible from the street, as this will give your home great club appeal. Section 2 is about selecting your plants. The next step is selecting the plants for your flower bed. Choose a variety of flowers that have different colors, textures and heights. This will create a visually appealing and dynamic flower bed. Consider planting perennials that will come back year after year, as well as annuals that will provide color throughout the growing season. Section 3 is about preparing the soil. Before planting, it is important to prepare the soil. Remove any weed or grass from the area and loosen the soil with a garden fork. Add compost or other organic matter to improve the soil's fertility and texture. Section 4 is about planting your flowers. Now it's time to plant your flowers. Make sure to follow the planting instructions for each individual plant. Plant taller plants towards the back of the bed and shorter plants towards the front. Leave enough space between each plant to allow for growth. Section 5 is our watering and maintenance. After planting, water your flower bed thoroughly. Watering will help to settle the soil around the roots of your plants. Water regularly throughout the growing season, especially during hot dry spells. Be sure to remove any dead or faded flowers to encourage new growth and keep your flower bed looking tidy. Conclusion of this video is that there you have it, how to create a beautiful flower bed in front of your house. Remember to choose the right spot, select your plants carefully, prepare the soil, plant your flowers and maintain your flower bed regularly. With little effort you can create a stunning and welcoming garden that will be the envy of the neighborhood. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.